Ah man, Transformers G1 is kick-ass awesome!
You fucking lazy son of a whore. While we're working our ass off, you're in here watching fucking cartoon.
I'm talking about G1 Optimus Prime.
Oh, right. Yeah, he was cool, but that doesn't mean you can sit here in your fucking girly act and watch him.
But Ratchet, I finally decided what I'm going to do with my life.
Star in a porno?
My dream is to become greater than G1 Optimus Prime.
Not going to happen.
But
No. Forget it.
But
Not even in your dreams.
Optimus, this is Bumblebee. What is it, Bumblebee? I'm very busy.
Yeah, right, lazy.
Speaking of bananas, I'm hungry. When's lunch?
Fuck you, that's when. I'll take care of the idiot. Just clear those rocks so we can leave. We've been out here for 50 stellar cycles because Porn Face here keeps watching cartoons. These two up and Prowl is off somewhere cutting himself.
Why doesn't anyone respect me? Everyone respected G1 Optimus Prime.
Yeah, because he was awesome.
What the hell, Ratchet?
Sorry, but only G1 Optimus is worthy of that song.
This better be important, you losers. I was watching my favorite cartoon.
Oh, it, not another one.
Sensible, trust me, this is way more important than some crappy cartoon. No one disrespects the GoBots. What? You watch the GoBots?
Look, man, not even Optimus is that retarded.
Optimus, I hate to break it to you, but it's not the all-party doctor.
Huh?
Well, then what the is he after? Porn Face? Alright, Megatron is about a few clicks away and closing. Unless we get out of here, you're fucked, Porn Face. Literally.
Are we dead?
No, you suicidal
Wow, it was a good thing Ratchet was able to throw us all into these pods before we hit the lake.
I'm still regretting it.
They're tiny. And they're in trouble. We have to save them.
Why?
'Cause we have to.
Why?
'Cause we're the good guys.
Why?
Okay, fine. I want to do it 'cause it will make me look cooler than G1 Optimus Prime.
I fucking hate you.
We look fabulous! Yellow is so mean. I am loving these new wheels. Does this make me look fat?
I look so... Wait a minute. Why does this always happen?
What?
Why is it that every time we get a new look, we start acting like a bunch of fag bots? Come on, Prowl. Don't die on me yet, you fucker.
But I want to die.
Exactly. I want you to suffer.
What are your names?
I'll handle this.
Okay, Ratchet. I trust you.
I'm Ratchet. This here is Porn Face, Femleg, Bumble Whore, and, Jigglypuff.
My thing inside my head is hurting again.
Oh, for fuck's sake, I'll get the medication.
Hey, guys.
Who the fuck let her in?
Holy crap! The factory just came to life! Ratchet! We must have a poltergeist!
Fucking retard.
No! Ratchet, are you okay?
I've just been blown away with fucking homemade missiles. Do I look okay?
What made the machines attack us like that?
It was...
The poltergeist!
I'm not even gonna fucking bother. We are having a small competition.
We are?
Shut up, Porn Face, it's my screen time.
Then at the first commercial break, we'll switch over to Bumblebee's favorite TV show, You Just Got Swindled. That's where I bought my teddy.
We don't fucking care. Hey, I wanna watch my fucking soaps.
But I hardly get to watch any of my cartoons.
Fuck your cartoons, now give me the remote.
But I want to see what Swindle is selling.
Fuck that shit, now give me the remote.
If any of you have any mercy, please kill me.
Fuck you, you can suffer with the rest of us.
That was a little over the top. But at least we're not bored anymore.
5 organic children died, you moron.
Do they look different to you? No?
Don't be a retard, they look fucking different. That's none of your business. Why the fuck did you ask that?
Because Bumblebee found this neat little pawn shop, and I figured we could all, excluding Bughead, go visit it. Oh, and Prowl can't go either, because I'm just tired of hearing him bitch about not being dead yet. It's just unfair!
Oh, well then, fine. Not like my past is just gonna randomly show up and ruin the day.
Ratchet, can you hear me?
Who the fuck is this? Were you the one to spike my drink? What the fuck? Get off me, bumble whore.
We only got 10 minutes of airtime! time per episode, Ratchet.
Yeah, we can't wait to see on your stupid flashback.
Well, excuse me for not a fucking backstory and for not being such shallow-ass, uptight virgin bitch!
Now, Ratchet, is there anything you can tell us about this mech?
Well...
Without going into flashbacks.
No.
Nah, not after I tell Ultra Magnus it was Megatron who hired me to kill you and vice versa. Hell, the war they start up is going to make me the wealthiest bot in the universe.
What? They're not dumb enough to start a war over me.
You really believe that? Or are you just trying to hide your vanity?
It's not my fault I'm so sexy.
Got a pretty deep voice for a femme.
Femme? I'm not a femme!
She totally is. She just hides it so we don't treat her differently.
What the fuck, Ratchet?
She hides it so well. Don't be fooled by her masculine ways.
Ratchet! Primus never thought I'd be glad to see you! Wait, what are you doing with that camera?
It's my MP3 player, you dumbass. Then again, taking pictures of you all sexy and tied up will get us a lot of money.
Thanks for saving me, Ratchet.
Don't make me regret it, porn face.
You scare old people with poorly made costumes and force them to give you treats made out of a substance called sugar. Otherwise, you burn canine waste on their doorstep. Yes, it's that time of year when we can scare the elderly and have a good excuse for it.
Hey, porn face, you retarded dumbass. I hope you get beat up by a girl, you fucking waste of metal. Now, while you're out there, take care of Bulkhead. Poor fat ass. Went through so much pain and suffering because of what happened.
We will, right, Bulkhead?
Okay.
Oh, he's going as a ghost.
Ratchet, it's horrible. I was looking on this thing the organics called the World Wide Web, and I found this place where people, mainly creepy girls known as fangirls, who write stuff about us in these fictional mini-stories.
You mean fanfics?
Is that what they're called? Anyway, I was looking at some, and somebody wrote a dirty fanfic about me.
And?
What do you mean, and? There's hundreds of them, and I want them stopped.
You can't, porn face. Besides, some of them are pretty good.
What?
Watch out, hot stuff coming through.
You're not wearing them.
Why the fuck not?
2 reasons. 1, you suck. 2, I enjoy watching you suffer.
I'm not a fucking zombie, you old fucking big bitty out there, and I love recognition on nobody!
The fuck did you just call me? Beat it! Beat that stupid organic! Wahahaha! Yeah! Beat it till it dies!
Ratchet, it's just a toy.
You mean they're not torturing a poor defenseless organic? So that you evil meathead! How dare you make poor face cry! Well, shut the frag up, you sensitive jerk! I'm the only one to make him cry! Me and me only!
I'm not fat!
Yes, you are. Hey, why do I have to take this little brat and do all the dirty work?
Would you rather stay here and fight them?
Who?
Prepare to die, you flaghead!
In the name of my love for Megatron, I will stop you!
Damn, porn face, how did you do that?
Seriously? No one but me detected that gravity pull just now?
Oh. Wonder what the fuck that was.
You guys are not going to believe this.
Trust me, you're not gonna fucking believe it.
Porn face manned up.
Damn it, Ratchet! Stop standing there like a frozen statue and save me!
He just took my arm off, bitch!
I can't believe my ex-best friend is doing this.
Ex-best friend? Oh, we never told you guys. Somdak had Megatron in his lab the whole time we were here and helped rebuild him, so if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't even be in this mess.
He did what?
You fucking idiot.
Oh, you fucking organic idiot! I'm gonna fucking kill you! Optimus, take the wheel! I'm gonna squash that jerk!
But I don't have a driver's license.
And I got one fucking arm! Jesus, take the wheel!
Ratchet, we're going down.
It's okay! If we crash land down an island down there, the snow will soften the impact!
Ratchet, that's not snow.
Oh, fuck, no! No, 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 no!
Would someone tell me why we're cleaning up after your spouse, Mrs. Pornface? Good to see you too, Ultra. Douche.
A chance to go on a trip with my money? Ratchet, where's the phone?
I don't know. They both had ate it.